Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my channel Code City. In today's video we are going to see that how can we check a network connectivity in Flutter. But before I start, I would like to tell you that this is my Facebook group, so if you haven't joined this group yet, then please go and join this. You can find the link in the description. And also, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. So let's start our topic. So what we are going to do is we are going to check the network connectivity of the device while pressing this button. Currently, if I tap this button, it will show me a toast message called network connectivity. So to check the network connectivity, we have a package called connectivity_plus. With the help of this package, we are able to know the network connectivity of the device. So to install this package, go to the installing tab and just copy this command and then run this command in your terminal. Now to use this package, import the class called connectivity_plus.dart. So let's import this class, import connectivity plus connectivity plus.dart. Now after that, the first thing we are going to do is to create two variables. The first one is for the connectivity and the second one is for the connectivity result. So let's create these variables. Final connectivity is equal to connectivity, and the second one is for the connectivity result. Connectivity result, connectivity result. Now go to the onPress function of the elevated button, and in that function we are going to check the network connectivity of the device. First, just remove this showToast method. Now in that connectivity class we have a function called check connectivity. So we are going to call this check connectivity function in this onPress method of the elevated button, and whatever the result we are getting from that function, we are going to store that result in a variable. So for that, create a variable. Final result is equal to connectivity dot check connectivity. Now if I go to that check connectivity function, so as you see that this function will returns me the future of the connectivity result. So first just put await keyword there and async keyword there. Now create a function and that function will take this result, and with the help of this result we are going to find out the network connectivity of the device. So let's create a function void check device network, and this function will take this result, and this result, as I told you before, that this check connectivity function will return me the future of the connectivity result. So in our method we are going to take a parameter of connectivity result. Now if I go to that connectivity result class, so as you see that this will return me either a Wi-Fi. Well, first this is an enum, and this will return me a Wi-Fi, a mobile, and none. Well, the Wi-Fi means that your device is currently connected to a Wi-Fi network, and the mobile, well, that means that your device is connected to a cellular network, and that none means that your device is currently not connected to any network. So with the help of these three values we are able to find out that currently our device is connected to which network. So for that we are going to do some if else logic in our method. So let's do this. If result is equal to connectivity result dot mobile. So we are going to show a toast message that your device is currently connected to cellular network, and else if result is equal to connectivity result dot Wi-Fi, so that means that your device is currently connected to a Wi-Fi network. So show toast and just copy this. Your device is currently connected to Wi-Fi network, and else, well, that means your device is currently not connected to any network. So just copy this and paste it there. Your device is currently not connected to any network, and just call this method in our onPress function of our elevated button. Check device network and just pass this result. Now just hot restart your application. So now as you see that currently my device is connected to a Wi-Fi network. So if I tap this button, so you can see a toast message that your device is currently connected to a Wi-Fi network. Now if I change my network connectivity to a cellular network, and now if I tap this button, so as you see that this will show me your device is currently connected to a cellular network. And if I disable these both options, and now if I tap this button, so it will show me your device is currently not connected to any network. Now what if you want to track the network connectivity of the device when user is using your application? Well, that means that you don't want this button to be pressed by the user all the time to check the network connectivity of the device. So for that, first we have to create a variable of stream subscription of connectivity result. So let's create a variable stream subscription of connectivity result, and I'm going to name this variable CNV subscription. Now in this connectivity class, well, this class is also provide us a method called onConnectivity changed. So let me show you this method first. Well, if you see, well, this method onConnectivity change method returns the stream of connectivity result. So we are going to call this method, and the result that we are getting by this method, we are going to store this result in our this CNV subscription variable. So, and all that work will be done in our init state method. So first let's override our init state method, init, and in that method just call this onConnectivity changed method. CNV subscription is equal to connectivity dot onConnectivity changed dot listen. Well, this listen method will take a function, so we are going to pass this check device network function in this listen method. Listen. Now the last thing we are going to do here is we have to cancel this subscription on our dispose method. So for that, just override the dispose method, and in that method just cancel your subscription. CNV subscription dot cancel. So that's it, I think. Now we are going to hot restart our application. So now if I change my connectivity, well, I enable my Wi-Fi. So as you see, the toast message will show that your device is currently connected to a Wi-Fi network. And if I change this to cellular network, so the toast message will show me this: your device is currently connected to cellular network. So this is the way to check the network connectivity in Flutter. So if you have any query related to this, you can ask me in the comment section, or as I told you before, you can join my Facebook group. You can find the link in the description. You can ask any type of query related to Flutter on that group. So that's it for today's video. If you like my video, then please share this and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.